Hi guys, we have Louis Vuitton unboxing today. Please stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oxana and today we're gonna do unboxing from Louis Vuitton. If you follow me on Instagram, most likely you already know what's the unboxing going to be, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I'm gonna put it somewhere over here, my Instagram account. It's pretty much the same as my YouTube, with the exception that it has an underscore, Oxana_LV. So please follow me there, so sometimes you get information firsthand. So today we have Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I already watched a bunch of other people doing this Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm very excited, so we will see what's gonna happen at the end. So let's start it. It's a really huge box, so I will try to do as graciously as possible. Okay, proof of purchase, the receipt. Oh my gosh, I think it's all wrong. Okay, let me just put it on the floor. Okay, box is on the floor because it's too big to handle, and here is obviously proof of the purchase, and ta-da, let's start it. And I guess guys, you know what's gonna happen over here. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. I'm so excited. So this is new Louis Vuitton Neverfull in Empreinte leather, and I've been waiting for Neverfull to come in leather because before Neverfull was in epi leather. I tried a couple of times, but I find it's a little bit too stiff, and the handles once again not as comfortable. So I'm extremely excited about this one. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so let me show you how it looks like inside. Inside it's actually dark blue, and that's how the pocket looks like inside. Let me see what it says, where it's made. It doesn't say anything. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris. Okay, let me just look a little bit more carefully inside. So there is a zip pocket inside. So this is the information. So obviously cowhide leather, man-made lining. So there you go, this is the first things. Then it says, oh, it's right there where it says, it's just a tag, just that says made in USA. It's just a separate tag. And that's the production number if you guys considering buying this handbag. So I guess this is the new things. Let me just make sure that I'm in focus. So I guess this is the new things, because on the handbag it doesn't say anywhere where it's made. It just little paper tags that it says made in USA. I'm not sure if it's just for the made in USA only. If you guys have this Louis Vuitton, because on the website it says it can be made in France, Italy, Spain and USA. If any of you have this handbag made in France, Italy or Spain, do you still have exactly the same just paper tag, or do you actually have a tag, like I mean the actual written things on the handbag where it says made in Italy, France or anything? Because on this pocket, on the inside, let me actually take it out if it's possible. On this pocket it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. Let me just make sure that it's focusing. Hi guys, I feel that I have to clarify something over here. It's not that I'm against made in USA. In fact, I have several handbags made in USA. I really love those handbags that it's in my collection. What I am not sure why it's no longer says anywhere on the handbag that it's actually made in USA, and why just a simple paper tags that can be thrown away or simply lost. I just want to know your opinion on this subject. Please comment. See right there, it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. I hope it's focusing. bit not sure how to feel about this. So obviously the pouch is here, and the pouch is very soft. I actually like pouch so very much because I think this one can be really used quite nicely. Let's say if you're going somewhere on vacation and you need large tote bag, and then you need some little thingy for, like, you know, little handbag or little pouch for the evening time. I think it's actually quite nice. So I actually like this so very much, and the leather is so soft. Inside is once again just the blue, and it doesn't say anything. There is nothing, because before I know it was always says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy, or made in USA, like whatever. It doesn't say anything. And I think, oh, there is a date code right there. It's almost impossible to see. Yeah, there's right there. I know, guys, it's almost impossible to see. The date code is right there inside. I don't know how to feel about it. Okay, I have my Zumoni organizer. Let me try my Zumoni organizer inside this handbag, and I will get back to you guys. So I have my Zumoni organizer. If you guys are looking for an organizer, or if you need an organizer for your handbags, I highly recommend Zumoni. I do not get paid to tell you that. They just send me this beautiful organizer. In fact, I have so many organizers already from Zumoni, and I really love their quality. Use my coupon. I'm gonna put a coupon right here at the bottom, Oxana LV. You're gonna get 20% off, so please use the coupon. Let me try this Zumoni organizer inside this handbag and see if it's actually, because this organizer made for the regular, you know, canvas, Neverfull, not for the leather, and it looks like it's actually fits quite nicely. And I like the contrast, because, you know, if you're gonna put a dark organizer inside, it's gonna be too dark and you literally cannot see anything. I don't know, I'm a little bit torn between this handbag. I'm not sure, guys. I really need your advice what to do over here, because I was actually extremely excited to get this handbag, but the way they do it right now, they don't put it's on the handbag where it's made. It's just that little tag, but I guess the day code will tell you where it's made. I don't know. I want to know your opinion. What do you think of this when it just actually doesn't say anything? Want to know your opinion? Please put your comments below. Obviously I will do my modeling shot somewhere. I'm gonna insert in the middle of this video. I really love the pouch. The pouch is very soft. I love the handbag as well. It just, I'm not sure, just kind of very unsettling feeling about this handbag right now. If you have it already, please once again put your comments. Do you have it made in France, Italy, Spain, or made in United States? Please, especially if you reside in United States, I want to know what handbag you got. Is it actually made in United States, or made in France, Italy, or Spain? Because usually when there is a new product and you're pretty much on the first row, it's like it's made in France. I was surprised that it's already made in United States. Not that there is anything wrong, made in United States. I was just surprised. I didn't expect that. So there you go, guys. This is my new unboxing of my beautiful Neverfull black in Empreinte leather, because I knew that black will be extremely practical. I can put it any bag charm to make it more spring-like if I need it, or more summery, but it will go with everything. It will go absolutely with everything, and it's very practical color. Very soft, let me tell you guys, very soft. And I remember some comments, people saying that, oh my gosh, it's going to be heavier comparing to the canvas. It's a bit heavier. It's a bit heavier, but it's not heavy at all. Let me tell you, it's not heavy at all. I don't know, guys. So tell me, what should I do over here? Should I keep it? I'm kind of like unsettled, you know, almost a little bit disappointed. I don't know. Please put your comments below. What should I do with this bag? Should I keep it, or should I don't know. or should I keep it? Should I keep it or should I keep it? Just trying to find an excuse to actually keep this handbag. Alrighty, and that's what we have for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.